Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Evi Handayani, and today's meeting I'm going to presentation about my proposal. The title is an analysis of expressive illocutionary acts in Vicky Rozic's movie. For the first, I will explain about background. Humans are social creatures who cannot do everything on their own, so humans need other people in their lives who can help each other in their fulfilling their needs. That means humans need communication in their life, so in their communication, human need language. Why this research chosen? I think this research was chosen because it is very important and related to language learning for learners about how to express they feel. The details of expressive illocutionary acts had stated by several. There are several kinds of expressive illocutionary acts, such as expressive of thanking, apologizing, congratulating, expressive of greeting, and expressive of wishing. In this research, the researchers are using Big Hero 6 movie because in the movie consists of many dialogues about expressive illocutionary acts that are necessary for this research. The researchers watched and wrote all the characters' utterance like word, phrases, clauses, sentence that contain expressive illocutionary acts. The interesting of this research is the use of the Big Hero 6 movie and how the characters in the film pronounce various expressive illocutionary acts that are adapted to the context, situation, and have a function for the characters is very interesting to analyze. The difference between this research and previous research is the topic of the research. In previous research, researchers focus on illocutionary speech acts, while in this research, the topic discussed more specific. In this research, the researchers discuss the illocutionary acts, especially the expressive illocutionary acts. Another thing that distinguishes this research from others is that in other studies it's only focused on the main character, but in this study or in this research it focused on the utterance uttered by all the characters in the movie. In addition, some researchers focus on the theory from Austin, while in this research focus is using of the theory from Searle. The next is about limitation of the problem. So in this research, the researcher limits the study to be more focused when analyze the data. The researchers choose Big Hero 6 movie as the data to analyze. So the data were collected only from the Big Hero 6 movie, which is used by all the characters in the movie. And this research focused on the types and function of expressive illocutionary acts that used by all the characters found in Big Hero 6 movie. And the next about formulation of the problem. So there are two formulation of the problem from this research. The first is what are the types of the expressive illocutionary acts in the Big Hero 6 movie, and the second is what are the function of the expressive illocutionary acts in the Big Hero 6 movie. Next, objective of the research. So the objective of this research are to find out the types of the expressive illocutionary acts and to find out the function of the expressive illocutionary acts found in the Big Hero 6 movie. The next is about significance of this research. So from theoretically, the result of this research are expected to support the theories related to expressive illocutionary acts, and for practical, the result of this research are expected to provide information to English teacher, and then for guiding students about speech acts, especially expressive illocutionary acts. And the next is about relevant research. So there are several relevant research of this research. The first is illocutionary acts in the main characters utterance Mirror Mirror movie. The second is illocutionary and prolocutionary acts in the movie script entitled CBHB. The third, the illocutionary and prolocutionary acts produced by the main characters of the internship movie. The fourth, the use of illocutionary speech acts in colloquial by anak dalam Jambi tribe. The five, illocution and speech acts of foreign students in Indonesia learning. The sixth, the expressive speech acts used by Anies Rashid Baswedan and Recep Tayyip Erdogan as direction of the attacks in Christchurch, New Zealand. And the seventh, the use of illocutionary acts in Wonder movie by R.G. Palacio. The next is research method. In this research, using qualitative descriptive method to analyze data. A qualitative method used in this research to provide in-depth, systematic, and detailed descriptive explanation in analyzing data. The purpose of this research was to identify, analyze, and explain the form of expressive illocutionary acts in the Big Hero 6 movie. The data collection of this research is method SIMAK, especially in teknik catat, and the data analysis technique in this research is the method padan pragmatik. The instrument of this research is the researchers themselves. Hence, the researchers should be validated by themselves about their ability in doing inquisition. So in this study, the researchers was the main instrument yet to make the researchers easier in conducting the research. The researchers needed supporting instruments such as book, pen, mobile phone, digital dictionary, and laptop. Okay, I think that's all my presentation about my proposal. Thank you for your attention, and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.